In today's video, we are going to show you how to view Deriv charts using TradingView. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, to access the TradingView charts, you'll need to open a platform that supports advanced charting. And the easiest option is hover on the options. You can choose from a Deriv X, D Trader, Deriv C Trader, Smart Trader depending on your account type. In this tutorial, I am going to choose Deriv Trader. Click the open and you'll be forwarded to a new page. Once inside the TradingView panel, the drop-down menu is going to be your market. You can choose different assets here such as Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, synthetics. It's up to you. For example, we are going to open a volatility. Maybe let's say I'm going to choose volatility 75. If you click directly on the asset or chart area, you will notice that chart interface appears immediately here. Deriv integrates TradingView chart technology directly into the platform, giving you access to professional charting tools and indicators. What I like about the TradingView is it includes powerful drawing tools. You can see there are multiple tools here, right? You can choose a drawing tools. You can add a let's say trend line right here, or if you want to add, let's say a vertical line, you can do that. These tools help improve technical analysis and trade planning. If you want to enable full screen mode for better visibility, click this section right here to full screen. This gives you more space for chart analysis and makes it easier to focus on market structure and indicator. And basically that's it. Now you're successfully using TradingView charts inside Deriv. From here, you can begin analyzing trends, identifying entry points, and building your strategy using professional charting tools. Make sure you'll always choose the demo account so you can practice without risking real money. And basically, that's how you view Deriv charts on TradingView. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.